Hello all, in this video I am going to solve question 37 from CBSE grade 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/4/1. The question goes like this. Kolam is a decorative art which is made with rice flour in South Indian states. It is drawn on grid pattern of dots. One such artwork is shown below. Observe the given figure carefully. There are 4 dots in the first square, 8 dots in the second square, 12 dots in the third square, and so on. This is the first square, the next square, and the next. The question says there are 4 dots in the first square, 8 in the second, 12 in the third, and so on. Based on the above, answer the following questions. Subdivision 1. Show that the number of dots given above form an AP. Write the first term and the common difference. Term 1 is 4, term 2 is 8, term 3 is 12. So let's get the difference between the two consecutive terms. Term 2 minus term 1 is 8 minus 4, which is 4, and term 3 minus term 2 is 12 minus 8, which is also 4. Since the difference between the two consecutive terms is same, it is an AP. The first term in the AP is 4 and the common difference is equal to 4. Second question, write the nth term of the AP formed. Nth term can be written as A plus n minus 1 times D. We know A, which is 4, and n minus 1 times D is also 4. 4 plus 4n minus 4, which is equal to 4n. So nth term can be formed by the general formula 4n. Question number 3, subdivision A. The pattern is expanded on a large ground. If total 220 dots are used, then find the number of squares formed. The total number of dots given in the question is 220, which means the sum of the dots from the first square to the nth square, Sn, is 220. Sn formula is n by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times d, which is equal to 220. We don't know n. A is 4 plus n minus 1 times d is also 4. Taking the 2 on the other side, the right side becomes 440. N times 8 plus 4n minus 4 is equal to 440. That is 4n square plus 4n minus 440 equal to 0. Dividing this equation by 4, we get n square plus n minus 110 equal to 0. For minus 110, we can take the two factors as 11 and minus 10. If we multiply plus 11 minus 10, we get minus 110. And if we add these two, we get the coefficient of the middle term. N square plus 11n minus 10n minus 110 equal to 0. That is n minus 10 times n plus 11 equal to 0, which gives us the two values of n, that is 10 and minus 11. Minus 11 stays invalid as number of squares can't be negative. Therefore, n is equal to 10. This implies that the number of squares formed using 220 dots is equal to 10. The B part of the third question, is it possible to complete n number of squares using 100 dots? If yes, then find the value of n. Sn is equal to 100, n by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times d is 100. We have to figure out n. A is 4, n minus 1 times d is also 4. The right hand side becomes 200. 4n square plus 4n minus 200 equal to 0. Dividing this equation by 4, we get n square plus n minus 50 is equal to 0. For minus 50, we can't get two factors that adds up to the coefficient of the middle term. So we will go in for the quadratic formula. Here a is 1, b is 1 and c is minus 50. N is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. B is 1, so minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 square minus 4 times 1 times minus 50 upon 2, which is minus 1 plus or minus root 201. 201 is not a perfect square, so square root of it will return us some decimal values, which implies that n is not a natural number. This implies that using 100 dots we can't achieve n complete squares. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.